Hi, today we will be trying to set up a Slack notification channel in our Skedler environment. So what we'll do is we'll start with the basic documentation. What we can do is we can simply go to this link and scroll down to the bottom of the page. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you would be finding the legacy tokens over here, and you can directly go to the internal integration part of it. As soon as you click on this link, it would directly give you through another web page where you can directly click on create and managing building of an apps. You can create a Slack app over here directly. So you can over here start from scratch. You can give it in a name like say testing of my Slack application. And I'll select workplace where I'm a member of, and then I'll be creating an app. After creating an app, under the features section, I will go to the incoming webhooks and I would be turning it on. And after that, what we would be doing, we'll be going to the permissions part of it. And when we'll be going to the permission parts of it, before we get our original token, we will be getting an option to install to the workplace. So it will actually ask you that which particular channel of this application you wanted to say post your report. So I would be saying such as say a support channel. So and then I would be allowing the access. As soon as you allow an access, you will be getting a bot user or token. You can just directly copy this token. And now let's get back to our Skidler environment. You can give a name to this channel, and then you can just directly paste your notification, and then you can go for admin like I'm doing it. So I can go for push, and then I can simply save on it. And you see that we get a success message, and now here our test Slack channel is created, and we can already distribute report to this channel, which we have created in our reporting.